The main ingredient I'll be using is tur dal. The vegetable I'll be adding today is called the bottle gourd or ghia. I'm using 2 of them. And a couple of teaspoons of canola oil in a saucepan. If you don't want it too spicy, you can just put it and remove the Thai chilies. We add the vegetables we have cut. Keep checking, make sure that it is not too soft. So now after having stirred it, close it. What we do is we add the dal. And you can either have it hot or cold, and you can have it with rice or chapati. So I hope you make this dish